I thought I would make this impromptu video of my whipped sweet potato casserole that I'm making for tomorrow's Thanksgiving dinner. I'm hosting a small group of people, and although I do have a really nourishing version of this recipe on my blog, I decided to go traditional and make this with ingredients that I don't typically use in recipes. This is because I have to give the people what they want. And when it comes to holidays or one-off occasions, I think it is really important that we still remember that food can bring so much joy, and we don't have to make every single dish or every single food perfectly nutritionally healthy every single time. Because it's the pattern of how we're eating over longer periods of time that really makes our health what it is. I needed to exemplify that point to you because we don't have to eat perfectly in order to be healthy. And we can still give ourselves wiggle room to eat foods that are less nourishing, less nutrient dense, especially on holidays like Thanksgiving. So just a disclaimer, this is not a written recipe. I am totally improvising. I'm using a base of my recipe that I do have on my blog. The whipped sweet potato recipe casserole is on there, made with more nourishing, nutrient dense ingredients. But this is going to be me just kind of taking my creative license and rolling with it. I am preheating the oven to 425. I'm gonna roast the sweet potatoes because that seems like the easiest way to manage them instead of peeling them and boiling them. And then we'll go from there. But first I have to wash the sweet potatoes and prep them for the oven. So let's do that. I'm going to work with these. I'm going to take the skin off and add them to the blender where I'm just going to blend up the sweet potatoes so they're like a whipped consistency with all the other ingredients. We're going to add some eggs to this sweet potato, some maple syrup, Okay, so now we're gonna make the topping for the sweet potatoes. I have about a third a cup of flour. I'm gonna add in, this is a third a cup of brown sugar, so equal parts. Then I melted butter, maybe about a quarter of a cup of melted butter cans. Finished the casserole, put marshmallows on top, and I'm not going to put it in the oven just yet. That's for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna cover it